anim e won se na wotwe atwa mu eda ya wada na ba sana hene mechira finance minister Dr. Kasel to force in kopie mu e wo parliament ya 2026 wo man Ghana akoma bosika mechira budget statement wo kobubu mu e de ho amane ekotudwa na wo de atudwa wo cha say de ya kua anim no artificial intelligence AI ni bi system ni bi ne de be ya adwuma e wo ye port ahodo e wo Ghana ha say esan say e kwan ya enipa da senitina computer nim e de dwuma e di wo man dwirim e mo man Ghana si campaign me papai e fa nkwantanan no e papai sa ne nkofo account mu santan e na akwa akogu no enya de a e boa wakwa bia so wo se smuggling de e koso pa invoice nsu just ade ne 10,000 o ye betwa 2,000 cc a na ni nyina no de ekwa nya ne se o man Ghana si campaign e na che se ekodididi ankwankwa bi ekotokuo mu 2026 budget e course na no ya wada e wo parliament e na doctor to force de hintasen we nyina etudwa no bu ache se AI no ebebe ye adwuma enu beduma boa ama se enipa da sani be kwakotena computer chie se me ma invoice me take bibia records declaration ni bibia no eyade ebebe form any artificial intelligence AI system no edodo na onua na che se ebetimi aye no obu akonta no eno se April 2020 kopem August 2025 kame se transactions awodo akoso nko ano eye 525,000 ya emusika botene eye 83 billion US dollars ewa ye import declaration forms ahudo mu na so ni nyina dam no se atwa import no kwa no na ye 10,440 ya chesis kabe se 31 billion US dollars de ya transfer kopie mu ewa amanone a amfa o my Ghana emu ti doctor atofosi buacha se we se no eye syndicate ekuo bi a waka won ho abomu a wo di wo man adrim ye kwa homa no so ne Samson Asaki Awingobit Executive Secretary Dima Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana Kotwetwe nkomo e de afasa ensem we se ho ora Awingobit awia ma ha mu akwaba de ba onua akase ebo eso
Mejimaso ncheo atifo ane arapoina
yo the finance minister did too a say no artificial intelligence AI be any ade be ya adwuma e wo your port and say habo ahodo no som say wo say betimi aboa ama kwan ya bia importers any adwuma e form google habo ahodo e fa so e bo man e kro no betimi akofom.
What me that I don't think say the AI na Minister Kaino will be the panacea of stopping legalities in the port. In fact, I must say that since the inception of the ICOMs now, Ghana have shown up revenue.
Onua
Ghana listeners in the West Brunei, Ghana government as compared to since ICOMs final, but we say increment has been there tremendously. What the predecessor, I mean, can say anything that the minister wants to introduce to show up. What do you call it, to show up the collection of duties and taxes on behalf of the government. However, I say increase the system that is already in, then probably maybe we may ask them to add on or to work to perfect it. And again, on officers, no, custom officers are in the port. Also have to be maybe given training and retraining, and then also praise them for what they are doing and ask them to do more. That is how a responsible country can be done. You praise your staff, and then those who are the bad not, you call them out from, and then let the good ones stand to collect the revenue accordingly for the state. I was so alarmed and also panicked. Dana Minister Bubo, the number of declaration, any Sika left the source of Ghana. Now government can say they could not trace it in terms of it equivalent into import coming into the country. No, my main use will go and say, but this Onua meboa.
I will go to Onua ni.
Onua is a big platform. I mean, you see the opportunity to address one of those things, Minister Nekai. You know, number one, Ghana hire or importers are omodi enokre pa omone suppliers ayejuma che. Because of that one, no. Supplier to Panema, Manano, so onji onto na on particular number. Until what we say, Sikabia, we have a common on it. But in terms of it, goods equivalent to who that doesn't mean say I am money laundering. Or business or the scanner command the supplier. In fact, every year, you say by this time, November, say no, we are serious business person. You have gone to meet your suppliers to discuss for the year 2026 supply. What it means is that you do it all year round, and then you cost it. When you cost it, maybe it becomes 10 million Ghana cedis, $10 million or whatever. Now, supplier might ask, because you also have faith in supplier now, and if I cannot give me in advance payment, then you give the money to the supplier. Then monthly, in that contract, it will state it clearly. In the Bushum Bia, Nema sign, container sign, do sign and supply and the go to cover the actual amount of money for transfer common. So yes, you will see that the money has gone, and the cargo that is coming in tranches. So until you add up all his yearly round total importations, then you can then come back to say, yes, you have sent out 10 million. At the end of the year, when we pick your bill with Talino, we are not seeing it corresponding. That means something fishy have gone on. So come and explain. But I was happy when the minister said that he has referred some institutions and individuals to the security agencies, and he's waiting for the investigation to come out. Let us hope and pray. But I can tell you that chunk of it, because I have respect for the minister. I believe in the minister.
Okay.
I hope in the
Mr. Yugobit, unim say Minister Baye Mekai say merebi ni hia na okase okodi bosome wo tema port we san say na ma wodo bebre koso ye port ni ade a dream die ne ne ma pi koso ebo o man ne eka nti nim say bia ni nyina aka wo bi ntina wa conclude o kire say wo de artificial intelligence eba na wo ka bibi say bia customs for ni ade na so brano ye entity ye bi enchechire bi ede ema wo mo challenge no per the minister can say human involvement say wudi nipa ekwa kwatena wo say wo ye adwuma ojeare wo ye custom wo ye national security we na me ye wo involvement e we bia say invoice ayede ma ene smuggling ene ne keka ho no wo ka say bia e honom say AI system no eba entimi mboa na say ya me expose bia na per report ayenya kire say importers need say they will can say omo trust well do omo anka so omo credibility ni container ni load ba wa ye willing ready say obetua ba agent be ka say 100,000 oh for 80 bra na wa tua de me ma custom GRA any national security for no wo task force na de omo ho no na e bia 30,000 pe akọ oman no account mu etini ma ni be pie no na any receipt bi ekuta no to nyini say system ne be betimi aboa.
Well, main evidence ukita na wakanaza enzo me can say omua for prime ma free amana ne ka we be say that me can say. However, every institution differently will be some partners. I agree, but AI no say AI no anamboa
nipa no na esa kwatena machine ho
nipa na esa kwatena machine ye juma na anamboa. It's about consent, it's about training, it's about loyalty. What's where I say uka na security. It's where an oath to protect Ghana. And I say uka or to say custom. It's where an oath to protect Ghana. And I say to be loyal to mother Ghana. And say uka kokuna bisa yachua. I say yede yapa mra do. I can tell you anything I can say items by no what they call some producer of Femina yaba so called the kind of mania. I will pull out data, and I think maybe that's what I have to do. I have to pull out data. What I'm trying to say. We've seen. But
Mr. Yungobit, who can icons buy which I say which revenue mobilization at cost room? We did two successful Nankasano. Revenue was for money generating no ye knew who baby are.
Oh, it depends. It depends of we have to also consider the volume of goods I buy. And it doesn't mean that even though the AI buy now this year 1 million container, now next year 1 million 800 container. How can you compete the same that the revenue should be the same? In to me, yes. So the more the volume comes, the more also taxes. Now that Ghana for in Africa can say importers probably be import no. I say intimate cafe be film and never be yet me yawa and then the intimate neck of Papa and answer. And so the revenue sort of day would definitely be there.
Okay.
And it's not like Obia transfer and now Wakadam points to be now figure of a man Ghana or the same no botum. And on the mechanics it's and I would have to relook at it. And so I said to show up revenue, to increase revenue. I'm not disputing the fact of what the minister is calling, but I'm saying we can give refresher training to staff. We can give refresher training to even the national security now. National security, no. Perhaps maybe no sometimes or by but only any training there. What is it? The party about buying their family back. And also of our buga. He's interested in his packet. He's not interested in what is going to government get. What is it? So we have to continue training and continue also naming and shaming and medical also naming and shaming and praise and reward people who are loyal to the country.
Yeah, that's it. Amaya Samson Asaki, I will go be Executive Secretary, Importers and Exporters Association, and Trade and Common. If Jaba winning, share me expose or matching so. Yes, a task force, National Security Task Force, baby, and I'm so you're good water mahabo. Share, and your man no more yellow honeymoon. Per reporter in Yayan, wouldn't him say, Nippon catch them, say, inside our hole. Or see. Revenue was for mining ya. Edify various sports when they use to temano. Or say ye 50%.
Or mining ya
50%.
It is a concrete to
concrete. On say first, no ya importers need your sena. Me name a PA betche. Say Ukuta u duty, u receipt ni be other than name a PA yeche. Ni agent
kwa na de apie de free obra untua bibia
ni agent be kwa gina ho no mo oh wo de 150,000 fa 100 bra na watua customs watua jerry no watua de attack force no ni yatua be 30,000 dia fa system ti load ni be pie no ni receipt na sika no o ma chenti pia o be se na ya be chime ne ema ya be chime na te se onkuta
ya mane krata bia wo de afom keke
and I still near any padas and your problem. Oh, people's need your problem.
Edding, papa. What won't fire a nimra a bit me a word, my system.